Yeah, boy. Guess where I'm going? Like a camera, cell phone, wallet. Yeah, just I'm planning to have a photo walk with Bugoy and Mr. Jap, the musician. And yeah, I'm going to get the cage of Happy to Bugoy's house because they don't need it anymore. And yeah, see you guys. Hey, Charlie. Charlie! Yeah. Charlie! Hala, nilabas ko lang yung camera, lumayo. Ba? Yeah boy, nakakulong sa kulungan ni Happy. Hi guys, we're getting ready for our photo walk. Look at this one. Yeah, Nikon, what's that? Secret. And this one, Nikon D3200. Yeah, and my cellular phone plus my digital camera. And I don't have my sports cam. That's why. Can I see your hair? Later at outside. Zup! Galing school. Bye, G. Taka na. Saan tayo? Si Mr. Music Man. Yeah. Ayan yung yung buhok na kinulay ko. Yeah, ganda. Straight. Oh. Pantay, diba? What's up guys? Naghahanap kami ngayon ng mga kasama. Yeah. Yes. Josh. Ayan daw guys. Yung butterfly yung subject nila. Hindi. Magpatuloy siya yan. Yeah. Behind the scene lang ako eh. Wala akong camera eh. Saka hindi din ako marunong eh. Kaya boy, lipat kami ng location. So nga lang, babaksak na yung araw eh. Yeah. With Jack. Wala na kami nahanap na kasama. Oh yeah. Yeah boy, we're here at Barangay San Francisco. Going to Southwood City. Hey guys, we're here at Southwoods. Yeah, walking on the trail. Yeah, stripping around. We're still here. You know, this is the toll gate. We have some different subjects. Yeah, this is the San Agustin Church. And yes, we're still here. Patid niyan si 6. Si 4 tsaka si 3rd.
Pip, pip.
Anong dila eh. Oh.
Pip.
Si 6, 7.
Pip. Pip.
Nakakuha din ako maganda.
Yeah boy.
Hey boy.
Yeah boy.
Kukulit.
Pip.
Wala, ang ganda ng balahibo niya.
Ilang taon na siya? 6 months.
Yikes! Yikes!
Puro lahoy.
Yikes!
Yak! Eme!
Yikes!
6 months.
Ilan? Aba ay! Hindi yan nakakagat. Gusto lang nyo nakipaglaro.
Eh, alis na si Pip.
Grabe mo lang sa yung pants.
Yak! Ano yan? Yak! Wala, hindi kita eh. Yak! Yak! Ayun,
Looks
oh.
like you.
Yak!
Ayaw. Ayaw makunan.
Bakit yun?
Something is too dark.
Yeah. As you can see guys, we're here at the front of San Agustin Church with Jap the musician and Bugoy. Ay, Bugoy! No smoking area guys. Yeah. Doing something great. Yeah, we're here at McDo. Still with the gang. Mr. Jap. Yeah. Kain. Hey guys, good evening. Grabe nakatulog na ako. It's already 12:49 and nagising ulit ako kasi nung pagkatas na mag-McDo, tambay muna ulit ako kay La Bogart. 10 o'clock, uwi ako. Then yun, chill mode muna sa bahay. Hindi inom ano lang, nood vlogs, ganyan, update, chat. Tapos nakatulog ako. Pag-isip ko nagugutom ako kasi naman ang dinner ko lang yung spaghetti. So yun, nagugutom ako. That's why naghanap ako ng food. And look, tadan! Ito kanina, minarienda namin ni Bogart dito sa bahay din. Ginawa ni Moms yan. Ang tawag doon, yung saging. Kasi ito, galing pa rin ng Gotis yan. Isa na nga lang natira. Hinahanap ko sa ref yung tinake out kong mga pizza. Sabi ko, sayang, wala na. Nagugutom pa naman ako. Tapos tingin ako sa lamesa, yun, meron pa. So, yeah. Nagugutom na talaga ako. So, that's it, guys. Midnight snack. Ay, salamat. Actually, parang naumay ako sa kinain ko, Kasi una akong kinain yung pizza, tapos yung turon. Tapos kumain ako ng chocolate. Cereal, milk, something na bar. Ang tamis. Naghanap ako ngayon ng maalat sa baba. Wala akong makita. So, kaya mga chichirya man lang or something. Teka, hanap ulit ako sa baba. Nakatamis na talaga ako sa kinain ko boy, nakaharap ako ng piato. Sour cream, my favorite. And nanonood ako ng vlog ni Miss Debbie. Yeah. Oh, the baboy man, Joe. The hip hop boy. Okay, solved na ako. Upo ako sa piatos. Actually, hindi ako nag-ubos niya. Si Ebs kumain din So yeah, watching vlog. I'm watching now Miss Ann Klut's vlog. Yeah, I just finished what do you call that? Ria Bananas vlog. Yeah, we miss you, Ria, and we are happy that you're okay. So yeah, I think I'll end this vlog. I'll just drink water downstairs and just finish watching some vlogs. Then I'll go to sleep because it's already 2 a.m. in the morning. And yeah, see you guys. And this is it, guys. Good night and see you guys when I see you.